Okay, so to bleed the fuel system right through, this here is your lift pump. This here is a manual pump, which when you're pushing it up and down, will pump the fuel through to the filters on the other side. So if we go around here, so make sure that your fuel tap is open to allow the fuel to go to the pump and over here. So if you have somebody on that side doing the pumping, undo this bolt, just slacken it off, pump it until the diesel or the fuel comes out of here and any air bubbles. Tighten it up, keep pumping, undo this one, pump until you see the fuel coming out and any air, and when the air stops, tighten it up. Then if you come to the fuel pump, here you've got two bolts. These are 8mm. So what you want to do is open the bottom one, pump again until any air comes out and the fuel starts to spray. And when you don't see any more air bubbles, tighten this up, then slacken this one off. Same again, pump it until the air comes out and it's only spraying fuel. Tighten that up. And once you've done that, that's you've bled it to the pump. But what then you'll need to do is under here, these are the 3 injectors. So you'll need to slacken off this nut. I would try it just with this one first. So just slacken that off. It's a 19mm spanner fits it. Slacken it off. Then what you do is you turn the engine over with the key until you see the fuel spraying out of here. And once you get that, stop turning it over, tighten that nut back up, then turn the engine over and it should start, after maybe 4 or 5 seconds the time it pumps it through, because it's going to have to fill the injector. So keep turning it over until it starts. If it doesn't start, what you might have to do is do this part again, but slacken the 3 off. So once you slacken the 3 off, again turn the engine over until you see the fuel spraying out the end of these pipes. Stop turning it over, tighten these up, and it should start without any problem. And that is it. Thank you.